Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this episode, Lee and I are finally going to sort out the unit. I mean, as you can see, we got a lot of shit here that we've been sort of, I wouldn't say hiding, but you know, storing and stuff like that. Parts that we might not need anymore, parts that we will need. So we're getting all the shit that we got in the Chrysler, things that we're gonna use, like those dollies, the A-frame that is there to bring the car that you'll see hopefully next month. So we're gonna get rid of everything that we don't need, all the wheels, all the tires, all the stuff like that, so we can make some space. As you can see as well, right here at the back we got half of what is basically another Citroën. We're gonna see what we do with that. We're gonna take whatever parts we need from that, whatever parts we want to rebuild that, and whatnot is just gonna go. So then we can have all the space. As I said, all the tires are gonna go, and the idea is to fit here another car. So I'm gonna start rumbling and I'm gonna show you what I can while we clear everything out. We have got rid of a lot of metal and stuff that we had there. I know it doesn't look like we have done anything, but trust me, we have. And now we're gonna get rid of the tires and wheels. So yeah, let's carry on and do that then, Lee. Shall we?
We're good.
Yeah, we're good?
We're good.
So at the back of here, we've got some more tires that we need to get rid of. So I think so 1, 2, 3 and 4 staying. The other ones, I think we're getting rid of them as well, so then we can gain all this space, and then I'll move them, put them somewhere else. So let's get that done. Oh, there's some more tires here as well. So yeah, brilliant.
We've got some more tyres. We've got a fucking big one somewhere.
They staying, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. So we have got rid of all the wheels and tires that we didn't want. So basically we only got that wheel there left. Everything else is basically to keep. And now we sorting out all this corner here, going through every bucket that we got with bolts and stuff like that, see what we want. As you can see, the wheels were back there, so now we got the 2 gearboxes there, the welder there. We still have to go through that, and then we have that space. We're now going through, as I said, this one's here. I'm cleaning everything around, so you can see the floor is way better now there. And the idea is basically to have this space here empty, so we can put another car there, and as well get rid of everything that we don't want. So far we've done quite a lot, but by no means it's going to be a just one day thing as well. We tidy up there, so we replaced that shelf with that one. So we had this one before, it was a bit flimsy, so we had that there, more parts at the top. And yeah, so we're going to get rid of basically everything that we don't want finally, and we just gonna put everything where we want. We're gonna basically put the tools and stuff like that on one side. These wheels are gonna go somewhere else, and yeah, so far that's the update. I know it looks like a massive mess right now, but trust the process. We getting there, aren't we, Lee?
We are. We certainly are.
So yeah, with this here as well, we're gonna move around and see what we do. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rumbling and I'm gonna keep on digging in. We have cleaned, moved things around. It's been a few hours. It's been what, 4 or 5 hours now we've been doing things.
4 or 5 hours now, yeah.
So I know this here is a bit of a shit, so but we need to scrap all the ceiling because it's shit, as you can see, just keep on falling. That is for another time. But what we're gonna do is basically keep on moving things around and see what space we got. If we go now this way, you see how much more clean this is. It's an easy path to actually walk. We got the gearbox there. That, as I said, we're gonna sort that out. But we've got so much space. This is gonna have to be moved. That's gonna have to be moved. That's gonna have to be moved. And yeah, so we got loads more space now to actually work. And the idea, we were thinking, because my idea was to put my other car, move this forward and put it at the back there, or maybe at the back there. But actually we had a better idea because we did a few measurements. And what we're gonna do is get rid of the Citroën that is at the back. Then this one can go sideways alongside that wall there, move this that way, and then put my other car in here. And then we're gonna have all this space here, which is, we already measured it, so this is like just over 4.5 meters by 2.5 meters, basically, when all the cars are in. So we're gonna be able to have 4 cars here, and we're gonna be able to actually work properly without tripping on things and stuff like that. So we still need to move all the things to one side to put the tools one side and all the fluids and all that kind of stuff. But here's where we're gonna leave it today. Of course, this is not gonna be a one-day video, but we're very, very, very happy with what it looks like. I mean, Lee's super strong. Look at him, just pushing the Mini on its own. He can't even fucking. He can't even fucking wait. He just I'll do. How are we gonna close the door now, Lee? For fuck's sake. Yeah, we're not kidding. That's it. Just leave it like that. Ventilation.
Take the door off.
Yeah, take the door off. It'll be easier. All right, so we're gonna cut off now to the next day that we come to the unit. So here's what we left on the previous clip that you've seen. So the tires are up there. We change those 2 shelves, and now what we're gonna do is basically move this and put it at the back of there, because the idea was to put my other car at the back there. I don't know if I explained it before or not, but if not, I'm gonna do it again. Put my other car here, facing that way. But in reality, once we get rid of that Citroën can go from that wall there to probably just about here, right? And then probably just about here. So the Honda has to come out just a tiny bit further forward, not a lot. And the idea is then to put the Honda here, and we are gonna put the Jimny here in the middle, for now anyway. So it's a smaller car, so it's be easier to move backwards and forwards. And then that car runs, and the Jimny runs. So that could be put on the back burner. We can work on that slowly. And the other 3 cars that are gonna be here, they're gonna be easier to work on and more accessible. Does it make sense, Lee?
Certainly does.
So, yeah. So finally, we've been speaking about this for fucking months.
We're getting there.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the attitude. Let's embrace the little wins. So yeah, I'm gonna set you on the tripod now, and we're gonna start moving things around.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
well, after a lot of moving around, the Citroën is right at the back. With that, we're gonna sort out, as I said, get the parts that we want. What we don't want, that's gonna go. Those tires are gonna go. The exhaust is going. We're sorting out now the tools and what we're gonna put things around. We're gonna move them probably further back, so then we got more space in there to maybe put the tools here or something. And the idea is basically the Honda is gonna go from where it is right now here to here once we sort this out. And then in the middle here is going to be the chimney. But as you can see, there is loads of space. I mean, I know now it probably looks less tidy than it was before. But trust the process. There's going to be here plenty of space once we sort this out. We're leaving it like this for now. But as I said, the seats, we're going to sort them out. That is going to go what we don't need. The compressor is going to go out the back. Then that chassis, we're going to see what we do with it. That shelf is going to be either replaced or repair or whatever, so we can put a lot of things in there as well. But yeah, there is a lot of space that we now seeing for basically the first time, isn't it? So long. Yeah, probably since you took out your motor from here. But yeah, I think we got quite a good bright future.
We're getting that.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have fucking bounced from that. After.
We just put fuel on the Honda. So are we ready?
We're going.
Let's try.
Let's do it.
I have the battery connected because I don't think there's much power on that one, but hopefully she starts. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. No, again. Since she doesn't want to start, we just put a bit of brake cleaner through the carby, so. We brought in the big girl. See if she can help. Put some fuel as well on the top of the carburetor. Yeah, we're good.
Ready?
Ready? Yeah. We're good.
That's fucking lovely sport. That part's fucking great to watch.
Yeah, we're ready over here. As ready as we can be, anyway. Yes, girl. There we go. She's running. Let's disconnect this then. She's definitely smoking a little. Yeah, she's running fine now.
Ready flat.
Yeah, well, it's been standing still for ages, and this is the first time of having actually proper fuel in there, so
Yeah.
cool. Okay, Mark? Yeah, that's it. Straight back now. Keep going. Keep going. Go again. The other way. The other way. Keep going. Now this way. Bring it straight back now. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Go forward a little bit. That's it. Yeah, that'll do. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to leave you in a cliffhanger because Lee has injured himself at work, so he had to have the week off. And as well, this video should have been out the week prior to this one, but unfortunately, this happened as well. So for reasons that you're gonna see probably in the next video, the one after, the Impreza is not working at the minute. I think I know exactly what the issue is, and I think the issue will explain why sometimes I felt like I had a bit of a loss of power or lack of power in certain RPMs. It's something that I never really looked into it because I use that car mostly like a workhorse, so I do not the bare minimum, but I maintain the car, I treat it well, but I just use it and abuse it if you like, and maybe not paying as much attention as I do with the Forester. So we're gonna do that, as I said, in maybe the next video, the one after. But unfortunately, here's where I'm gonna end this video. I hope you like what we're doing with the unit. There are a lot of the things that we need to do to get it how we want it, to basically get rid of some stuff and bring more tools and stuff like that, be able to work in there as good and as comfortable as we want to. So I hope you stay tuned for that, but as usual, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing if you do, and I shall see you very shortly.